Welcome to it again. Orlando Pirates is facing Makesi this weekend at Orlando State. Wait. Orlando Pirates is facing Makesi at Orlando Amstel Arena. I got it right. Okay, I got it right. I just want to talk about the new naming rights, and I saw yesterday it was doing rounds on social media. Everyone was talking about it. There was a lot of banter about it. There was a lot of happiness about it from the Orlando Pirates fans, and I want to tell you my side of the story. As an Orlando Pirates fan, I am happy about this. I think it's a new direction which I like for the team, and I think lately I've been seeing a lot of progress in terms of like marketing, the partnership with the great brands, just to make sure that the team is up to speed with finances. And the thing is, I never worry about finances as a fan, because I always be like, that's not actually my thing. I want the team to win the trophies, to win all those things so I can be happy emotionally. But then I kind of realized, and looking at our league here in South Africa, and I'm like, Sundowns have been winning this league for 8 years. And what I found behind that thing was the financial muscle they have, just to make sure that they win these leagues in back-to-back. But then I realized that Pirates this season, they have a chance of actually go all the way and win it, as long as they can stay consistent, because I think that the difference between Pirates and Sundowns in the past seasons has been the consistency of winning all these games. But now, with things like this, when Amstel is just come in and bring in the 50 million and say, we want the naming rights of the stadium. It's going to be Orlando Amstel Arena for 50 million for the next 5 years. And I am so happy, because I think now this type of partnership will help Orlando Pirates to fight Sundowns financially. Even though we don't go all the way to South America, try to bring these guys to have like a competitive advantage in the league. We always trying to bring the quality in the league. People, some of them we need to shine them a little bit. Some of them we just need to let them do their thing, because they are so talented. So that's what I want to talk about. I want to talk about that Orlando Amstel Arena. I think it's gonna take a time for us to actually get used to it, because at the end of the day, so I think it's gonna be a good thing for Orlando Pirates. And that's a quick update I want to talk about. And I'm happy for the team as well, and I'm happy for whoever came up with a partnership. And I saw the design also at the stadium, the red seats, Amstel. I think as looking at the growth of the South African football, I think the next step now for Orlando Pirates is try to make sure that they own that stadium, because I know a lot of banter that was coming out of social media yesterday was more of like, you guys don't own the stadium, but now you're naming it. I know stadium management is the owner of that, so Heineken was like, you know what, we want to expand our wings in the continent and also be part of this brand that is PSL. So which team we think is going to align with us? Orlando Pirates. Remember, people are complaining about the red. I mean, if you've been following Orlando Pirates, at some point we actually had the whole total red jersey, which was with the white stripes. So, I mean, you know the colors. We have black, white, and red. So, if you've been following us, you know that there's nothing changed. It's just that the stadium now is looking even cooler with that red, just the pop out behind the ball. And I think it's going to be a lot of fun when we go in there to watch the games. And yeah, it's a good thing for the team. Financial muscle, we need it so we can able to buy players, so we can compete with Sundowns and try to win the league. And I think we've been winning the cup recently, being the Cup Kings of SA. But winning the league, we're having those players that can able to adopt the pressure of consistent games, going down all the way to Cape Town to play those games, going to Durban on Tuesday nights or Wednesday nights. Those are the games that you need to win consistently. So this is one of the things that's going to help us actually achieve that goal. So yeah, I'll see you when we talk about the preview match of Orlando Pirates versus Makesi. But I want to know from you, what do you think about the naming rights of the Orlando Stadium to Orlando Amstel Arena? What do you think? Do you think it's a good thing? Do you think it's a bad thing? Do you like it as a fan? What are your thoughts about it? Make sure that you comment down below in the comment. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and share with your friends that there is an Impact Play and Popkiss is behind it, giving you all the news you want to know about Orlando Pirates and other sports in the world and other football in the world. So I'll see you on the next one.